Hello, my friends. Lorrie here. Welcome to my world, and thanks for popping in. I have a little story to share with you guys about MEMAW today. So MEMAW has never in her life gotten high, ever, ever. She's turning 84 today, and she's never gotten high in her life. Well, you all know that I am a big fan of cannabis and have used it for many, many years and love the way that in my salves and tinctures and things that it helps to relieve my pain. Now, I can't say that it's going to do that for anybody else, but my mom's in a lot of pain all the time, and so I would like to relieve some of that for her. And to try and do that, I would first start her off on just some CBD. She's also been very depressed lately. And so I wanted her to have a little bit of mood altering cannabinoids as well, because I wanted to work on cheering her up a little bit. Anyway, long story short, I've been giving Mom a mixture, a 1-to-1 mixture of THC and CBD, and I've been giving it to her every day in her afternoon tea. And I give her a very little bit, right? Because you start whenever you're starting to dose yourself or dose somebody else, you always start with just a little bit. And so for the last month, she's been fine, and she's been getting this every day. She's been sleeping better. Her mood has improved. Her pain it helps with her pain. So, we're ticking all these boxes, and she likes it. She likes the fact that she's able to sleep through the night, and she likes that she's not waking up in the middle of the night in pain and stuff. And so the other day, MEMAW decided that she was going to dose herself, which I don't know what she was thinking. She knows she just takes a little bit, but for some reason she gave herself almost a full dropper, which is 4 to 5 times what I usually get her and give her. Now it's cannabis, so it's not dangerous. But it sure is funny. So I'm going to share some footage that I took of her, and then we'll come back at the end and discuss it for a bit. So enjoy seeing my mother. Oh, and I have okayed this with her. She has seen this footage, and she has okayed it for me to share it. Here we go. Go ahead, MEMAW.
What?
Go ahead, MEMAW. Tell the people what's going on.
I'm drunk.
You're drunk?
You're
You're not drunk. You haven't had anything to drink. You haven't had any alcohol at all.
I'm THC'd.
THC'd. What? You're stoned? Higher than a kite?
CBD oil.
It's not CBD oil. MEMAW dosed herself this morning instead of waiting for me to give her proper dose.
Can you tell? Look at her one eye. It's so stoned it won't even open.
And she took about, 4 times the amount I usually give her just for her pain. It's actually a mix of THC and CBD. Go ahead, tell her, MEMAW. Can you talk?
No.
The plunger thing is this long, and I took this much.
And how much do I usually give you?
You said this much.
Yeah, less.
So you triple dosed yourself.
I quadruple dosed herself. And now she's feeling it. Look how high she looks. Looks higher than a kite.
She is higher than a
Oh
kite.
my goodness.
Oh,
That MEMAW.
you're laughing at me.
Oh, when you stand in the room for 5 to 15 minutes going in circles looking for a remote control, there's a problem there.
Tell them how much you're loving it.
Well, I don't have much pain.
I wonder why.
And that's why she takes it. So I would say that's a success. Well, there you have it. She was in a pretty happy mood for most of the day while she was up, and she did not have pain for hours and hours and hours. So it was wonderful for her. She she felt a little high, and she did have a nice long nap and slept through the night, which was good. So all in all, I would say overall a success. She is still taking it. However, she is back to letting me dose her. And so, yeah, so she's back at a proper dosage that just tackles her pain and improves her mood a little bit, but doesn't make her giggly and high. It's just, anyway, I'll probably get all kind of dings. I'll have to look and see what I have to do about putting this out as adult content, or um, I don't know. It's maybe a good cautionary tale for kids too. Don't get into stuff without knowing what you're doing. Um, I don't know. A cautionary tale. You tell me what you think. I think it was harmless. She's perfectly fine now, and she still is using it every day, but in moderation, the way it should be used. So, anyway, thanks for coming and hanging out with me today. I do appreciate you. I am going to cut some of this into a short and put it up, but this is my video for today. Have yourself a fantastic day, and I will see you soon. Bye now.